So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to make the intros for the bell notification. So let's get started. I'm making this video with the help of a vlogstar. Previously I have showed you guys that how you can make your video intros and outros with vlogstar. So let's get started. So here I'm opening the app. So here you can see that my previously worked, I think, yes, it's there. So yes, I have saved it a bit. So I want to make it a bigger. So I'm taking a new. So here I'm clicking. First of all, I'm clicking the start new project. Previously, I think I have made one. Mm, yes. And yeah, here. So let's see. Again, see, I have made it perfectly. So you have so I have made it previously to see you guys, to make see you guys how I have done it. So here I'm clicking a new one. I'm making a new one in front of you guys. So here I'm clicking the start new project. 16 is to 9. I'm choosing the ratio. So I'm taking the photo. So I'm picking up this one, choosing up this one. So I want the duration to be of 10 seconds. If you want to be of 5, you can make it 5, or otherwise 10, or 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever you want. I want here to be the 10. So I'm here choosing the 10. So here you can make, with this help, you can make large or small since it's of the same size. So nothing is going to be changed here. So first of all, I'm clicking here the sticker. So not this one, this one. First this one. So here is the YouTube. So here you can see you can download it and it's free probably. So I'm clicking this one. So make it small. So I'm keeping it in the center. I'm keeping it in the center. Yes, the center. And I'm making it to the large, full. Then comes again, I'm clicking on the sticker, and then comes the bell notification. So here I have already downloaded it. Here you can see the downloaded signs. So it's probably free. So I'm clicking the bell sign. See, first of all, make it some small. Sorry. Sometimes I lose the control, I think. So I'm making it a small one, and here in the corner, right hand side corner, I have put it. So I'm clicking on this one. So here the animation is in. So let's, no, I don't want this one. I want the overall. So I'm clicking on the overall. So here this one, overall speed. See, it's normal. So overall, so I'm clicking it right. Okay, so I've completed this one. Think this much will be good. Okay, so next I'm clicking on again to the sticker and choosing the arrows. So this one is the good. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I am doing it. So with this key, so you can make it probably according to your size. So I'm making it a little small so it doesn't look a big. So overall, no, I think these are the premiums I have to buy. Let's see this one. No, this is not good. Out. No, this one is good, but it's too fast. No, I don't know. It's in. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, it's right. So let's slow down the speed. Again, I'm slowing it down. Yeah, this will be the perfect. So I'm clicking on this. Okay, so this is good. So almost we have done it. And next time clicking again sticker. No, then I am writing the text because here subscribe button is there, but it's the premium version. I have to buy that. So I'm writing down the text in a small hand. So I'm clicking it up. So yes. So this is good. Yeah, this one is the perfect. So I'm clicking on the right. So let's see. Yeah, it's perfect. Yes, this one is perfect. Subscribe. So how subscribe the animation? This will be the perfect. Slowing it down. See? Yes, it's good. And then again so here I have to give the hand version. The hand version, so here I'm having it this one. See? Yes. So I'm keeping it here in a very simple animation, putting the animation. This will be the perfect. Slow it down. This one. Yeah, this one is the good. matches and it suits also. So clicking on the right. So almost completed. So let's see. 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 So let's play. I think I have to make this one. Yeah, I have to make this one a small. No, I have to put this one before the arrow counts. Let's play. Yes, so it's perfect now. I think yes. Again, I'm playing it. So it's very simple, guys. You saw. So then you click on the upper side here, right button, and it will get export. And you can adjust or you can place this one to be the first and then your video and then the outros. So this was all for today's. Hope you guys will love it and it will help you also. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and please leave a comment below that whether it was right or I have something wrong. So thank you guys, and please do watch the video till end. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.